just sitting here in the parking lot. So that was probably important. Civic Type R. I am back at it, just walking the streets of Japan. Not sure. Oh, this is a Mitsubishi Pajero Mini. Look at this. It's a cool color scheme. I think it's either turbo or supercharged because of the hood scoop. That's a very clean car. Nice. Little SUV. Okay, so we have another Pajero Mini. This one's inside the garage. Just kind of sitting there and not sure if anyone drives it. Like a little minivan. Civic Type R and its natural habitat. Looking fresh. Man, look at that wing. I think this is amazing. The huge Brembos. I wonder if it's this guy's. So he just let me do a little car shot of his car. Man, I've never seen one like this. This thing is amazing. Civic Type R. Oh, look at this. That is a skyline. I'm gonna come and take a closer look. I think I might have seen this guy the other day. We drove by. Wow. Yeah, look at this skyline. Wow, this thing's amazing. Works, rims. What a beautiful color. To see one of these in its natural habitat is amazing. Hope I don't get in trouble doing this. But this thing is so perfect condition. Very cool. Nismo International. It is an automatic. From what I can see, all the glare. Yeah, looks to be just pretty stock. It says GT on the side. Man, what a beauty. There it is. Guess I'll keep walking. Interesting looking cars. Priuses are everywhere here. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 in the same parking lot. Volvo wagon, right-hand drive. That's a familiar face. Domino's Pizza. Look at that, a Hummer H2. Look at that thing. It's left-hand drive. So that was probably imported. This thing's sweet, all blacked out. But yeah, you can see the, that's a good, see this thing right here. There's a cat going crazy behind me. Oh, that's nice. Wow, those are beautiful colors. M135i. I guess they like the color blue. Got a nice little covered area for it. Man, beautiful duo of cars. Check out this little Mazda. So this is a new Crown, I think. Man, that thing is sweet. Check out a couple of these Nissans. That's a Nissan Bluebird. And that's a Nissan Tiana 230JK Bluebird Selfie. Interesting. Man, look at that. Amazing. These two kind of remind me of like Infinitis in the States, but they're just so different looking. Look at this Toyota Prius. Very nice. Kind of a very nice house. Man, look at the bamboo forest up there. It's amazing. Wow. Civic Type R. Man, these cars are just... Look at this parking spot. It's like designated. Just amazing. Saw some cars just scattered. That's a cute little car. Look at that thing. Very cool. Alright, Beamer. Thing is slammed. Subaru. Exiga. It's like a wagon van. Very cool. Then you got yourself, well, I thought it looked like a Toyota Camry, but really it's a Toyota Crown RS4. And then sitting right next to a Toyota Camry. So they got really big similarities. And they're both black in color. Oh, the front end is completely different. Man, this is a very cool front end. And there's that Subaru. Sweet one. Anyways, there's a white cat that just ran up. Oh, it's still right there if you see him. A white cat. That's interesting to see. But okay, we'll move on. It is getting dark and it's starting to drip rain. So I'll try to get back to the base.